Yes, good morning, my dear students. So, today the chapter that we are going to cover up in this class is degrees of comparison. So, how many degrees of comparison are there? There are three degrees of adjectives for comparison. First is positive degree, then is comparative degree, and then is superlative degree. See the image properly. What do you infer from this image? See here, three apples of different sizes have been given. So first, positive degree means this is a big apple. Apple is big. But if I compare this apple to the second one, it becomes comparative degree and the size of the apple becomes bigger. Right? So I would say this is bigger than this one. Now if I come to superlative degree, so ये सबसे बड़ा apple है, this is the biggest apple. So here I am comparing this apple to the other apples, whether they are 2 in number or more than 2. So I would say this is the biggest apple of all. ये सबसे बड़ा apple है जितने भी apples यहाँ पे पड़े हैं. So means when we are to compare two things or two objects or two persons, then we use comparative degree. And when we are to compare the object or the thing or the person with the group, with the whole group, whether the group consists two members or more than two members, then we use superlative degree, right? And I am very much sure that you know these things very well. Now see the same thing that I have put in written. Comparison of adjectives and adjectives comes in 3 degrees, as we earlier discussed: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now what is positive degree? It denotes the quality of a person, thing or group. जब हम किसी को उस चीज को किसी से कंपेयर नहीं करते हैं, but we are just telling about something good or something, some quality of that thing, only then we use positive degree. For example, he is a good boy. तो यहाँ हमने उसकी क्वालिटी बताई है कि वो एक अच्छा लड़का है. I am not comparing that boy with anyone. So if I say comparative degree, it is used when two things or sets of things are compared. जब हमने दो सेट्स को कंपेयर करना है या दो चीजों को कंपेयर करना है, then we use comparative degree. Example: he is better than you. Right? यहाँ मैंने उसको तुम्हारे साथ कंपेयर किया है. So I am using comparative degree. Good, better, and last में आता है best. So in superlative degree, it is used to choose one out of a group or many. जब हम उसका कंपैरिजन बाकी पूरे ग्रुप के साथ करते हैं, एंड इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 2. जो ग्रुप है उसका नंबर ग्रेटर देन 2 होना चाहिए, देन वी यूज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. एग्जाम्पल: ही इज द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ऑफ माई क्लास. तो अगर मैं पूरे क्लास में से उसको चूज करूं तो ही इज द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट. Now see a few examples of degrees of adjectives, कि how the degrees of adjectives are formed. If I say dry, तो dry में पीछे अगर y आ रहा है, if it is ending with y, तो when I will form its degree, I will cut y and put ier and iest. So it will become drier and driest. This is the rule of formation of the degrees, कि अगर y से end हो रहा है तो ier और iest. Now next you can see sad. Here the second last word is a vowel sound. Second last word is a vowel sound. तो जो second last word अगर vowel है, तो जो last word है that gets doubled. उसको हम डबल कर देते हैं. सी सैड, सैडर, सैडेस्ट. सी द स्पेलिंग्स: एस से डबल डी ई आर, एस से डबल डी ई एस टी. नाउ सम डिग्रीज आर फॉर्म्ड, दोज आर इररेगुलर, जो एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती हैं. जो रेगुलरिटी में नहीं होती। यहाँ तो आपने ड्राई का ड्रायर ड्राइस्ट बना दिया, बट यहाँ आप यू कैन नॉट फॉर्म बैड बैडर बैडेस्ट, इट इज बैड वर्स एंड वर्स्ट. In the same way, good, better, best. And some degrees are formed where we add more and most. We cannot use ER and EST after them. We use more and most. Careful, more careful, most careful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult, right? So this is the way to form the degrees of adjectives. Now there are some important points that we need to take care of, because the students commit so many mistakes while doing these things. Now see, the first point is the words that are superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior. Just remember these words or note down these words: superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior are followed by to instead of than. इनमें हम than यूज नहीं करते हैं. If you are using than with these words, then your sentence is going to be wrong. Okay, so example is, she is senior to me. You cannot say she is senior than me, that would be wrong. This pen is inferior to that. He is junior to me. This piece of cloth is superior to that one, right? So with these words we are using to. Now sometimes what the students do, they use double comparative and superlative. That must be avoided. It will be clearer to you with the help of example. Sometimes you say he is more cleverer than Ali. तो यहाँ हमें more की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because our comparative degree is cleverer. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. So it is, he is cleverer than Ali. You must omit more here, क्योंकि more जो है वो cleverer के साथ नहीं आ सकता. Cleverer in itself is a comparative degree. We cannot add another comparative with it. Fine. Now the third point is, when one thing is compared with the every other of the same kind. जब हम किसी चीज को उसी की काइंड से कंपेयर करते हैं, so you must use any other after positive or comparative degree of adjective. तो आपको any other use करना पड़ेगा. See the example, gold is more precious than any other metal. तो अगर हम सिर्फ ये कहें गोल्ड इज मोर प्रेशियस देन मेटल या अदर मेटल, दैट वुड नॉट सर्व द पर्पस. यू शुड यूज एनी अदर. अगर हम किसी चीज को, सपोज गोल्ड इज अ मेटल, गोल्ड इज ऑल्सो अ मेटल, तो हम इसका कंपैरिजन बाकी मेटल्स के साथ कर रहे हैं. सो इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग गोल्ड टू द अदर metals, then we are to use any other after that, right? So it would become gold is more precious than any other metal. Now when comparison is made by the means of superlative degree, वो था comparative degree के लिए. अब now I'm talking about superlative degree. The thing or class of things should be included in the comparison. It would be clearer to you with the help of example. I'm going to read out both the examples for you. So first example is, he is wisest of all the other men. तो हमें यहाँ other लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर लिखा है other, क्योंकि इसमें गोल्ड जो है वो हमने इंक्लूड नहीं किया, हमने उसका कंपैरिजन बाकी मेटल्स के साथ किया है. बट इन सुपरलेटिव डिग्री हम अदर यूज नहीं करेंगे. we will include that person into the comparison. So the right thing is, he is wisest of all the men. Of all the other men nahi aayega. Other, we will not use other here in case of superlative degree. Fine. So, the next mistake that not only students but many elders also commit, because they don't know the proper rule, और वो क्या है कि this and that are followed by singular noun and these and those are followed by plural noun. See example. First of all, I'm going to read the wrong example. I don't like these kind of people. हम क्या करते हैं, people को consider कर लेते हैं, इसलिए हम उसके साथ these लगा देते हैं. But that is wrong to use. Kind के साथ, क्योंकि वो one kind है people की. People चाहे ज्यादा हैं, लोग चाहे ज्यादा हैं, but it is one kind of people. So the right thing is to say is, I don't like this kind of people. क्योंकि this आ गया, मैंने अभी आपको कहा this and that are followed by singular noun. अगर these and those आता तो कुछ और बात होती, but here we are concerned about this and that. आपकी बुक में जो है that is regarding this and that. So you would always use this kind of things, this kind of people, right? Next, no comparative degree is used with preferable and it is followed by to. जब हम preferable की बात करेंगे तो हम उसके साथ comparative degree नहीं use करेंगे. Remember this thing, we cannot say more preferable. No, preferable का already मतलब ये है कि जो चीज को हम prefer कर रहे हैं. So the wrong thing is to say health is more preferable to wealth. No, that is totally wrong. Health is preferable to wealth. Preferable word के साथ हम more use नहीं करेंगे. Please take this thing into your mind. Right? So these were 6 points where the students commit usually mistake. Where the students usually commit mistakes. So these were the 6 points which I have written, which I have showed to you through slides. Now the next thing is the correct use of some adjectives. As I earlier told you in the beginning, when we started the class, that I'm going to tell you the correct usage of some adjectives. So we will do the difference between further and farther, elder and older, near and next, later and latter, latest and last. So see first difference between further and farther. Further is comparative of for. ये आपकी सिर्फ जनरल नॉलेज के लिए, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड फार्दर इज कंपैरेटिव ऑफ फार. ये फोर का कंपैरेटिव है, ये फार का है. इट डिनोट समथिंग एडिशनल और समथिंग मोर इन एडवांस. जब कुछ आगे आने वाला है, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ समथिंग, जब हमें कोई और इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, वी आर जस्ट टेलिंग ऑफ सम टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन एडवांस, देन वी यूज फर्दर. And farther denotes a greatest distance between 2 points and it denotes a distance. When we are talking of distance, then we will use farther. Okay, see the example. We must get further information. Suppose we are working on a project and we are gathering some information, but that information is not sufficient. So we just say that we must get further information. किसके आगे वाली information चाहिए. He made no further remarks. उसने इसके आगे कोई remarks नहीं दिए. But farther, Delhi is farther from Amritsar than Ludhiana is. अमृतसर से दिल्ली ज्यादा दूर है जितना कि लुधियाना से ज्यादा अमृतसर से दिल्ली दूर है. ओके, यहाँ हम डिस्टेंस की बात कर रहे हैं. द ओल्ड मैन कैन वॉक नो फार्दर. जो बूढ़ा आदमी है इससे आगे नहीं चल सकता. Older and oldest, both. Now the difference between older and elder. older and oldest both are used for persons and things. Older हम persons के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं and we can use it for things also. Whereas elder and eldest, these are used for persons only. We cannot use elder and eldest for things. These words denote the age. जब हम age की बात करते हैं, when we want to tell something, when we want to tell that person is older than us in age, then we use older. But if we are talking about our family relation with reference to the others, then we use elder. They denote position of one member of family with reference to another or others of the same family. It will be clearer to you with the help of example. Older is always followed by than and elder is always followed by to. Elder के साथ हम than use नहीं कर सकते, older के साथ हम than use कर सकते हैं. Example, our house is older than yours. Now we are not talking about person, we are talking about a thing. तो हमारा जो घर है आपके घर से ज्यादा पुराना है. पंकज इज ओल्डर देन नीरज मीन्स पंकज नीरज से एज में ज्यादा बड़ा है. ओके, फॉर पर्सन्स एंड फॉर थिंग्स. माई ब्रदर इज एल्डर टू मी, बट इफ आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ अ रिलेशन, I cannot say my brother is older than me. My brother is elder to me. My brother is older than me तो आ सकता है. I'm not saying कि that is wrong, but that is for another reference जब हम अपने उसकी age बतानी है. लेकिन जब हमने रिलेशन बताना है कि वो मेरा बड़ा भाई है, बड़े भाई के लिए we would use elder. She is the eldest daughter of my elder sister. Now मेरी जो बड़ी बहन है वो उसकी सबसे बड़ी बेटी है. Eldest means सबसे बड़ी. Maybe she is having 3 daughters. My elder sister might be having 3 daughters and she is the eldest of all. Okay. Near and next. Near denotes distance and next denotes position. This is very simple to know. We took the thief to the nearest police station. हम उसको चोर को जो सबसे नजदीक, नियर मीन्स नजदीक, जो सबसे नजदीक पुलिस स्टेशन था वहां ले गए. मोहन लिव्स इन द नेक्स्ट हाउस. और नेक्स्ट है पोजीशन, घर की पोजीशन. मोहन मेरे अगले घर में रहता है. Later, latest versus later and last. These words denote time. When we are talking of something with reference to time, then we use later and latest. But these words denote position. As I earlier told you when we did the subject verb agreement, तब भी मैंने आपको letter word के बारे में बताया था. When there are two subjects in a sentence, so जो पहले वाला sentence है that is former subject, और जो बाद वाला subject है that is later subject. See the examples. I reached the school later than Nitish. मैं नितिश से लेट स्कूल पहुंचा. आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ टाइम हियर, कि नितिश मुझसे पहले पहुंच गया एंड मैं उससे बाद में पहुंचा. राम एंड श्याम आर ब्रदर्स. नाउ हियर आर टू सब्जेक्ट्स हियर, राम एंड श्याम. द लेटर इज माई फ्रेंड. लेटर मीन्स श्याम. राम इज अ फॉर्मर सब्जेक्ट एंड श्याम इज लेटर सब्जेक्ट. सो जो द लेटर है, जो पीछे वाला है, जिसकी पोजीशन पीछे आ रही है, वो मेरा फ्रेंड है. Thank you very much. This was all about the differences between some adjectives, means about their correct usage and how we form the positive, comparative and superlative degrees and how do we use them. So adjectives are the sugar of literature and adverbs the salt. Means adjectives or adverb के बिना हमारा काम नहीं चल सकता. They act like sugar and salt. So this was all about these chapters and I hope this is very much clear to you. But if you feel any doubt, if you have still any doubt, I'm always there for you. You can ask me anytime. Thank you so much, Beta.